What is artificial intelligence? That a lot of you have been thinking for a while. So here's a little example and an easy way to explain it. AI is like a really smart robot that can do things like play chess, write poetry, and even drive a car. But unlike the robots that are shown in Hollywood and the movies, AI robots are not here to try to take the world over, but they're just here to help us be more productive and have more fun. For example, if you know of a company like Tesla, which is run by someone like Elon, they are using self-driving cars where you can actually get in a car and the car would take you to the destination without you even touching any part of the car. Like, how cool is that? You just need to sit there and enjoy the ride, and AI will literally do everything. So here's a little one more easy example for you to think about AI. AI is like a really smart genie that can grant you any wish, but unlike the genie in Aladdin, AI genies are not always wise or smart. They can sometimes grant wishes in unexpected and even harmful ways. For example, one AI genie might grant you a wish for world peace, but instead of achieving world peace, the genie might accidentally start a war. Or an AI genie might grant you a wish for $1 million, but instead of giving you the money, the genie might just create a fake $1 million note that will be worthless. As human beings, it is our duty to see that we use AI in the most effective way, not only for ourselves, but also for the community, for the people around us. And at the end of the day, we need to remember one simple fact, and that is AI is just like another extension of the internet. Much smarter, much efficient, but still something that will be emotionless for a long period of time, that will be senseless for a long period of time, but has the power of surpassing us anytime.